very warm welcome to all of you. May I know how are you, all of you? Please, how is those? Thank you, all of you. Okay, thank you. Now I'm going to start. In previous class, I will discuss some array concept. Okay, beginning of array, how can print the array. Okay, now I'm going to here discuss two standard level of array, and we are also studying in this class array character string. Okay, now I'm going to start how can deal with the character, how can deal with the string in the array. Okay, after that I will print the one by one how can print the array element using loop. Okay, please, I request all of you, please be serious and be consistent in this lecture, and this is the next external level. Okay, now I'm going to discuss here. Okay, so thank you. Please be serious. Now I'm going to here write C language. Okay, C language. Here I am discussing array. Okay, I already told you how can I slice the array, how can I present the array. I already told you. Okay, now I'm going to how can find the ith address of the in the array. Please look here, I give some concept. Okay, new concept. Okay, how can find the address of any array, address of any, just like any data type, just like character array, integer array. Okay, how can find the ith address. So firstly I just take an int name array, integer array, size here I am taking 5. Okay, here 2 6 7 8 sorry 2 6, suppose I'm just making this thing, the address. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here I am writing 6. Okay, we have an integer name of array and the size of 6. Okay, and I am just here writing array of index number 0, array of index number 1, array of index number 2, and array of index number 3, and array of index number 4, array of index number 5. Okay, and here I am writing just like the integer array. Integer stored 4 byte. Okay, if I take here address of array 100, then it will be automatically 104. Okay, we need to add 4 byte in every address. Okay, thank you. How can find the ith address of the array? Now I'm going to write here formula. Find the ith address of the array. Okay, ith address. Suppose I'm just taking here base address, which is 10. This is our base address. Okay, and here I multiply index value with the data type. Okay, let's see how can find this address. Here index value 0 1 2 3. This address, I want to find this address. How can find? Firstly you need to see here, I'm just here writing base address is 100 plus index value 3. Okay, what is the data type of the array? 4. I am writing here 4. If you calculate this thing, you will be get 114. This is the ith address. You can easily find in the character, same thing, same logic, no need to change anything. Okay, and you can easily find character integer. Okay, no issue. Now I'm going to how can deal with the character with the array. How can deal with the character with the array. Our topic is character with array. Our topic is character with array. First topic, point character with the array. Fine. I'm writing a character with the array. Here I am writing character. Okay. Here I am writing character ARR of 6. ARR of 6. Here character A, B, C, D, E. Fine. And another way, it is initialize the array. Another way, how can initialize? Because I already told you, so we have 3 types of array, which we have a 1D array, we have 2D array, we have multi-array. 1D array represent this way, I. 2D array represent this way, I, J. और multi-array represent this way, I, J, I, J, K. Fine. This is the example of 1D array. This is the example of 2D array. This is the example of 3D array. Fine. It is a way to represent the 1D 2D array. Okay. Now I'm going to here on our topic is character with the array. How can deal with? Okay. Let's see one by one in the next class. Okay. I'm discuss each and everything in the array. No issue. I'm discuss each and everything and basic to advanced. Okay. Thank you. Okay, in the character array we have initialize too. We can also take the value from user. How can take here? So suppose just like we are just like take the user from firstly I'm denoting another way, character ARR of, it is also way to represent. Fine. If I enter here size 6, if I enter here 10, if you not enter any value in character, it will be automatically assign the inside the memory value, automatically create the space like 10. Okay, 10 space it will be create. Okay, and also if you are here writing 10, you are not initialize. Suppose you are initialize this thing. Okay, slash. Okay, it will be work. And another way, just like it is initialize this thing this way. If you not enter here size, it will be automatically work. Okay, fine. Next way, character. Here we are also working here this thing. Here outside suppose size 10, inside array. Fine. Am I right? This is some basic thing of the array. How can represent with the array? Okay, and I am going to deal with the how can print the character array. Okay, I am just writing a simple program. It is a take from user input. It is also take from size. It is also take size from user. Okay, it is also take character element from user. Okay. Firstly, you need to see how can print. Firstly, I just print one simple array, okay, with the initialize. Okay, after that I will take an input from user. Okay, I'm going to here write int main function. Here write character CHAR, character AR. Array name is anything. You can if you want to assign your own name, you can easily assign. Okay, but it is the way to represent the array. I am just writing here 7. Okay, I'm writing here just like A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, we have 7 elements in the array. And now I am going to print each element one by one. How can print? I am just writing a printf slash inverted comma percentage d comma. Here if you are here, one thing, when you are printing array, when you are want to print percentage d, here if you give a space, in this place if you give a space any comma, it will be automatically print with the space a comma. If you want to print in next line slash n, you can use slash n, this place. Okay, it is a character, and for character what is the format specifier? Percentage c. Okay, for a string slash n, for a string arr of 0. In the 0 place, it is the index value 0, 1, index value 0, 1. Okay, here index value 0, here 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine, index value 6. Okay, and if you need to close here, I terminate with the colon. Same thing you will write here arr of 1, arr of 2, arr of 3, arr of 4. Same thing it will be right here. Okay, fine, am I right? Same thing, no need to. But I want to ask all of you, if you are printing this way the array, it is a good for you. It is a take large size, printf, percentage g, percentage c, and slash n, and array element. Okay, but I want to print only one time. How can print the array? How can print? I want to ask all of you. Then in the case we are using one loop. How can I use loop? How can I use? I'm just writing here. How can I use loop? I'm just writing here int main, and I'm writing here character of array size 7. Okay, and A, B, C, D, E, F. Fine, am I right? Here initialize the value. I want to print every element only one time, print using one print statement. I am not writing, but I am using here loop. Okay, how can print? I'm just writing here 4. Here initialize with the int I. Okay, I is the integer. I am writing here 4. You can easily use a Dev CCP. Okay, in Dev CCP it will be work. Okay, in Dev CCP it is a automatic. It is a very easy compiler to need to download. Okay, you can work with the Dev CCP. Okay, fine. And I am writing here for loop. 4 I 0 I less than is equal to 7. Because I already told you, all of you, our loop will work n minus 1. Okay, if element is n, then it will work n minus 1. Fine. 7 I plus. I is a variable which is working with the loop. Okay, I is a variable which is working with the loop, and I is initialized with the 0. Fine. Okay, no need to issue. Fine. And I am writing here print statement. Print f percentage c slash n. After it I will use arr of I. Fine. and I am writing here this thing and this thing, and I am return here return 0. See, it is a way to print the only one time. If you want to print one by one and replace the array element, you can easily replace. How you can replace, I am just here telling about, but it is a way. First part, its second part, how can I print the array element? Okay, it is using only print statement. I am using a for loop. Okay, and you want to ask, I want to change this value in the array. Here index value here in the array, index value in the array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine, and I want to change this value. Which value? Index value 2. Then how can change? I will write here one thing. ARR of 2. Sorry, ARR of 2. Yeah, 2. This value. ARR of 2 slash. Sorry. This is a inverted comma. Okay. Single inverted comma. Okay. And I am here replaced with the S. When you are printing the array, it will be automatically replaced with the S. Fine. Character value, any work character value, it is any character, ABCD, small ABCD. I think capital ABCD, small ABCD is work with the similar thing. Okay. Now I am going to take input from user in the array, character array. Okay. And you need to further understand is a similar thing. You can use input from character array and integer array and string array. Okay, I'm just here writing here one thing. Can I erase here? Okay, I will erase here because we have a less space. Okay, fine. I'm going to use one thing. What? Take the input from user, also array size, also array element. How can take? Let's see how can take. I'm just going to here and I am writing here int main function. Here write int n. Okay. Here write int n. Also write here ARR of. No need to write here. Okay, int n, and here write scanf. Are you looking here? Scanf %c, okay, %, fine, %n, fine. It will be take size. Okay, other I will take the character array. Here automatically take n. Fine, and after that what will you do here? I will take one loop for I am also take one variable I, comma. Okay, for I is equal to 0 and I less than is equal to n, I plus. Fine, and I am writing here scanf %c. Okay, %c, and here take ARR of I. Okay, I hope you are seeing this thing. Fine. After that I will use one singular for loop. It will print the array element. Okay, I am just taking here input. What I am doing here, I am take here input array, also element, also size. Okay, also element, also size. And now I am going to print here array. Here I am using one for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I less than is equal to n, and we can take here also another variable j, different variable. Okay, j plus. After that I will print one statement here, printf %c, and you need to take one thing here, slash n. If you not take /n, then it will be you need to use %c. After that will be use 1 comma, because when we want to print the array, it will be comma will be so in the print array. Okay, similar thing. No need to worry. I am just using here /n. Okay, %c/n, and I am using here comma arr of I, and here close this thing, and here return this thing, and here I hope you are looking this thing. Okay, can you give me some 1 second? Fine, am I right? Here where I am just only write here return 0. Okay, fine. And I am going to work with the string of array, and after that next class we'll be discuss one thing. How can find the array length. Okay, I am just here discuss nobody. I also discuss here. Okay, fine. Okay, I am take a string with the array. I am work with the string. I am work with the character, and character with the array, and here work with the. Okay, here work with the topic string with the array. Fine. I work with the here string with the array. Now I'm going to initialize. How can you initialize? The same thing, it will work with the string, but only you need to replace this thing. Character with replace integer, character with replace string. According to you, it's a work with a similar thing. No need to. In the format specifier, you need to use here %s. For string %s, for integer %d. Okay, for float %f. Okay, for character %c. Okay, I'm going to here just here writing int main. I'm also take here array input, string input, string array input. Okay, I'm just writing string here, writing str here size. No, I'm just writing here, take one variable which n, and here writing scanf. %d, this is the integer value. Okay, and /n, %n. Here I am forget one thing. Okay, you need to write here also %. Okay, you need to write here also % in this between, because it is a scanf. It will take input from user. You need to write here scanf. Fine. Okay, fine. And I am writing a scanf, and after that I will be take one string array, string str n. Okay, and after that I will use one for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than is equal to n, I plus. Fine, and I'm just starting at scanf. Percentage is okay. ampersand here is string of here str, array name of str I. It will be take the array input from user. Okay, and I want to tell you one thing. In the array, in the string, how can work? Firstly, I'm just here give one example. Here I'm just giving one example. You need to see here example. How can a string work with the array? Here is string. Suppose here is string, data type is string. Here I'm writing here is str. Size is suppose 5. Okay, and I'm writing here first I'm writing here hello. Here I'm writing how. Here I'm writing are you. Here I'm writing nice. Fine. It is a way to represent the string array. Okay, here I am writing double quotation, here I am writing single quotation here in the character. Okay, fine, no issue, no need to worry. Simple way learn, no need to, very easy manner. Okay, fine. I'm writing here just like I want to print the string element. Okay, when you are entering this string element, firstly you need to care this is a way to represent. Okay, your string, your any name and your any city name. Okay, your name, it will work a string. Okay, fine. I'm writing here for loop. For I'm taking one other variable here, initialize j I. Fine. Here I'm taking one other variable j is equal to 0 and j less than is equal to n. Fine. And j plus plus. And I'm writing a print statement. Print f percentage s slash n. Okay, here I'm writing percentage s slash n, and here writing str of I, close this thing, here return 0. Fine, am I right? We have discussed two topics. I already discussed integer, I already discussed now we're discussing a character array, string array. This is a way to represent. Okay, similar thing, it's work with this thing, similar this thing, it's work all character, also work integer, also work string, also work character. Fine, that's all. Now I'm going to find how can find the size of array. How can find? I'm just writing here one line of code, one piece of code. Okay, you need to just write inside the main function, you need to print. Okay, I'm writing here int size is equal to size of okay, size is equal to size of, here writing arr slash, what I'm writing here slash, what I'm writing here stri, sorry, here I am writing here size of arr of 0. Okay, you are not looking here, I think, 1 second. Size of, after it I'll be writing here, it's divide thing, divide a symbol. Okay, size of arr of 0. Fine, this is the piece of code. If you want to print in the string, only replace with the string, only replace with the character. Okay, fine, let's all for today. And next lecture we will be discuss how can print the array element and how can print the we are also print how can add the array element. Okay, array element, sum of array element, and how can find the sum even odd position in the array element. In odd position, even position, how can find the array element. Okay, and according to you, we have already discussed we have also going on the C++ and DSA lecture. Okay, we are discussing very deeply manner. Okay, and no need to worry. Okay, you need to see, firstly you need to take care is 2 time. Okay, 1 or 2 time it will get easily. Okay, fine. And after that I'll be discuss here in the next class we will discuss 2D array, and we have discussed some concept of array, how can find the sum of array element and how can find the even odd position. Okay, thank you, that's all. So thank you for today's take care, bye bye, very nice. If you like this thing, please support. Thank you, bye bye.